How do I check that my computing device is ready for using wireless sensors with SPARKvue? We recommend checking ahead of time that SPARKvue can connect to a wireless sensor so that you can make the most of your time during class or a training. To run this check, you'll need any PASCO wireless sensor and the SPARKvue application installed on your device. For Windows and Mac computers, check with your instructor, department chair, purchaser, or IT group for a licensed SPARKvue installer. For phones, tablets, and Chromebooks, find the free SPARKvue app for your platform via the link in this video's description. Depending on the management of your device, you may need to ask the IT folks to install SPARKvue if you don't have the rights to do so yourself. Once you have SPARKvue installed, launch it to get to this welcome screen. Now, press the power button to turn on your wireless sensor. I'll demonstrate with this wireless temperature sensor. Check that your sensor's Bluetooth indicator light is flashing red. If your sensor doesn't turn on, either charge it if it has a USB port, or replace its coin cell battery if it doesn't. In SPARKvue, select the sensor data path to get to this configuration screen. If everything is working, the tray to the left should open automatically and list any nearby available PASCO wireless sensors. If this tray does not open automatically, first check that your sensor is still powered on and its Bluetooth light is blinking red. If your sensor still does not appear in this list, then please follow the troubleshooting steps linked to in the description below, which begin with checking that Bluetooth is turned on your device. If you see more than one sensor available for connection, identify yours by its 6-digit ID. Click on your sensor to connect it to SPARKvue. It will move up into the list of connected devices, and the sensor's Bluetooth light will blink green, indicating that it's connected. At this point, SPARKvue may offer to update your sensor's firmware if it is older. Now is a good time to do that if you can spare a couple of minutes for the update process to complete. Now that your sensor is connected to SPARKvue, its available measurements are listed in the middle of the screen. For this test, you can leave the selections at their defaults, and just click on the graph template in the upper right. Now, press the green Start button to confirm that you can collect data from your sensor. And then, press the red Stop button to end data collection. Congratulations! Your computing device is ready. If you encounter any issues, please contact PASCO's free technical support for assistance via the link in the description below. Thanks!